Hello everybody, this is Rajiv. Today I'm going to be unpacking a product which I got from eBay India. The product is going to be a NATO strap 18mm nylon wrist watch band, which I got for 300 rupees from eBay. I got this strap. Actually, this is a universal strap, possibly a German design, I guess, used by German military, German military, or maybe Italian military, I'm not sure. It's in one of the European militaries which actually designed these kind of NATO straps for durability and of course for low cost. Okay, so for that purpose they designed this strap. I'll show you what we have inside. So I got this for this watch here. This is a low brand watch, cost watch, which actually holds the design of Forrester, Casio Forrester. So, or maybe Timex Forrester. I think it's a Casio based Forrester, or so for this watch I just purchased this. I'm not sure that this strap will fit my watch. Well, I'll just try it out and see what happens. Okay, so this is the package. So let's cut it out. He said like you need to cut it pretty carefully without cutting the strap itself. So we need to check it out with the strap. It's okay. So here it is. So I need to cut here to make sure that I cut the strap pretty securely without damaging the strap. Because if I cut the strap, there won't be any refunds or something. Okay, so there you go. That's the strap itself. Okay, so pretty thick. Not sure will this fit my watch. If it doesn't, then it's a waste of money. And there you go. That's invoice or something, or maybe it's a feedback. Okay, so nothing else inside the carton. This is what we have got. So let me put this aside probably, and this is the strap itself. The seller is located in my city itself. Is located in Chennai. Yeah, I'm also from Chennai. Let me take the strap out first. Okay, so there you go. That's the strap. So this is the NATO strap actually. Okay, supposing this is thin, but this will come about say 1mm or 1.2mm of thickness, and that's the actual thing. And the quality is okay, not to the original, but okay. So that's the buckle here, and so let me try it out with this watch. How I'm gonna put this is pretty easy. First, make sure that you fit the watch here, okay, like this. So you need to start from here, from the north direction, from the upper side of the watch. So how you're gonna do this is, I'm not sure how you're gonna do this, but let me try. This should go like this, okay? It should come like this. So take this thing out, okay, and gotta put this in right here. Okay, it goes pretty tightly. I'm gonna pull this out. Yes, it goes very tightly. Yep, so there you go. That's one part is done. Okay. And then the other part here comes out like this. Yep, so there you go. Okay, so it secures in here, and then you need to pull it right back in here, this loop. Okay, and there you go. That's how it gets in. Okay, maybe, not sure if I've done it right or but done it rightly. Maybe you have to loosen up something. Okay, I'm sorry. Yeah, the watch. Okay, so maybe I think I've done it pretty tightly. So that's all we have to done, and then put it on the wrist and tighten up. That's how it fits. I mean, it does not fit so nicely, but okay, it's acceptable. This is how the strap is all about. Okay, so that's how you gotta put this thing on. So I think you know how to put this on. I mean, how to actually put this strap into the watch. Okay, it's pretty easy, pretty simple. Okay, I I think with this kind of thing you need to understand the longer thing. The longer thing which comes inside. This is the longer strap, and you can see this is the longer strap. So what happens is this one first goes into the top side where this 12, the 12 number actually is at. So you need to insert into the pin, and then goes like this, and then you need to come out from the south, from the bottom of this pin, and then take out the second strap, which is the smaller one. You need to insert the longer one into the smaller pin here, this buckle, and then it comes out. So this is how the strap is, and then it's usual normal thing, just put it into this buckle here and tighten it up. Okay, so there you go. Alright, so this is all about this Velcro, Velcro, not Velcro. This is not a Velcro. Velcro is another type, but this one is actually this one is actually the NATO kind of strap. There's another one, Zulu strap. I'm not sure that will fit this watch or not, because that one is a little thicker than this one, but this looks fine on this watch. Okay, the goods and bads, the pros and cons is pretty easy. The pros is this one actually doesn't detach. Usually when you use a metal strap or a leather strap, if one pin breaks up, you might lose your watch if you're on a very active kind of part. For example, you're doing an activity like you're on a roller coaster, or you're on some kind of adventure sports. What happens is, like, if this pin is broken, that's it, you will lose a watch. Okay, but here that doesn't happen. Even though if this pin is lost, the watch is still stuck into this strap. Okay, it will not fall. Okay, so it's pretty secure into this strap, the watches. Okay, so that's one. Number two, it's pretty simple to put on any watch. The strap can take in any watch. Okay, and the strap cannot break pretty easily. So that's number two. Okay, and it looks pretty good. Not so very great, but it looks good on these watches. Okay, and moreover, it's pretty cheap too, just about 300 rupees in Indian money. So you can get this watch for any kind of with this strap for any kind of watch. The negative, the minus, the cons is pretty easy. That this one is attractable to bacteria. So if you're gonna wear it for a pretty long time and you're gonna wear it again and again without been cleaning or without been washing this thing, this is attractable to bacteria. So you might get some rashes into your arms, your wrist here. Okay, so that's one negative with this thing. So moreover, this is a good strap. Fits my watch okay. Not so nicely, not so easily, but okay. Okay, so that's all for the review of this NATO strap, NATO 18 millimeter strap. So if you have any questions, do drop in the comments below. Do like my videos only if you like my videos. Okay, if you do not like my videos, please skip to another video which you like. Okay, so I'll get back to another review soon. So until then, thank you and aloha.